On March the 25th, 2025, what started as a routine license plate reader alert quickly escalated into a dangerous, multi-state pursuit. Nevada Highway Patrol flagged a semi-truck tied to 2 suspects with outstanding warrants for serious crimes involving children and sex trafficking. Officers approached the truck at a border truck stop, but instead of cooperating, the driver fled, setting off a high-speed chase down Interstate 11.
1620, what direction from?
Alright, I got 110 in front of me. Want to know if we're okay to pursue this now. I got 110 in front of me.
And I'm going to take up secondary. We're going, looks like he's about to go towards the El Dorado Pass, possibly going to try to go southbound I-11. Copy, we're getting on the I-11 now.
Henry 62, we're southbound I-11. I'll take over comms. I'm number 4.
Hey, he's going to lose one of his left rear tires. If we're okay with it, I'll go past, I'll get him ahead, and I'll lay down some stop sticks.
And if you can, let's give you a time. If not, there's another emergency turnaround.
That's affirmative. Mile marker 10 should work. I'm past it. Oh. He just cut me off. He just tried ramming me.
90 miles an hour, still light traffic. Vehicle is in the number 2, southbound. Just tried ramming 820 off into the center median.
Henry 3094.
Henry 3094, go ahead.
Henry 3094. If you can get somebody to go through Boulder City and get on at marker 2, go ahead and continue. If not, back off. Please notify Arizona DPS and also the dam police.
Henry 3094, there is no dam police. I'll notify Arizona.
Henry 4063, I'm coming around the Lakeway. I'll start heading that way right now from marker 13. Henry 3094, also have somebody get towards the 95 in case he goes that route towards California, please.
As the pursuit unfolded, speeds climbed to nearly 90 miles per hour, with the suspect truck swerving, ramming patrol cars, and shredding its tires along the way. Officers coordinated stop-stick deployments and routed resources through Boulder City and toward US 95. Preparing for every possible escape. The chase tested both the patience and safety of everyone involved, as officers balanced the urgency of stopping a dangerous suspect with the extreme risks of high-speed intervention. Finally, the truck, heavily damaged and running on fumes, veered off the road near mile marker 7, where officers surrounded the vehicle.
Successful on the flag strips. Vehicle continuing southbound with the number 1. 4153, notify Metro here.
Thank you, 4153, Jim 4, Henry 6200, confirming you're on 95 or 11.
We're still on I-11, that's on marker 7. Speeds of 74 miles an hour, still straddling the lane line. 4153 to 3094, do we have authorization to enter Arizona? Yes, you have authorization to enter Arizona. He just lost the tread on the front right tire. He's on the rim now. He's swerving rapidly. He's winding off the road right. One start at 52. He's way off the road. 1050. Mile marker 7. Please approach with right. I'm channel 1 with the tied up.
Put your hands up! Put your hands out of the window so we can see them! Take it easy on yourself! Let us know you're alive!
Everybody in that truck, speak to us now! Do you guys have any cover over there?
No, just rock here. Is that shadowing or movement on by the, just to the right of the mirror? There it is. He's punching out the window. Hey, you better let us see your hands when you're coming out, guy. Hey, sir, let us see your hands. Let us know you're... Are you injured? Hey, sir, what's your name?
I see a foot behind the truck.
He's kind of dangling there. I got his right arm. He's coming down. Hey, guy.
Come out, face away from us.
Just come on out, guy. Just make it easy on yourself. Sir, just come on out. There's no way for you to go here.
We'll get you some medical attention. Just come on out. Stay there, man. Don't go anywhere.
Sir, there's no way for you to go, man. You're going to be in the middle of the desert.
Stop.
We got a helicopter coming and everything. You're not getting away.
Just stop. Don't move. Face away from us. Turn around. Do it now.
Now, you're gonna get tased. Get on
It's
the
not
ground.
gonna feel good.
Get on the ground. You're gonna get tased.
There's somebody else in the car.
Yep, right here, right here. Put your hands on top of your head.
Yep.
Yep.
All right, you got him? Yeah, I got him.
Here, you got me?
Yep.
Put your hands on your head.
You just told me to chill out and you're not being chill. You just told me to chill out.
That's it. Thank you.
Anybody else in there? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. There you go. Turn around. Walk up the hill. Stop that.
You don't have to kick your legs in, just to get you a little bit of air conditioning, alright?
I need a drink. Also,
The medical's coming. They gotta check you anyway.
Henry 6110. We have a female that was still in the vehicle. Where's it hurt? We have a female adult that's also injured that just came out of the vehicle. Need a 52. Anybody else in the car with you? You think you can walk? You can hold on to me if you need to. What's your name? You say Tony? You got it? Let's just put you in my backseat here. Come on. You good? Yeah. Just have a seat.
What did you hit? The steering wheel or?
I was trying to make it to that bridge with the water. I should have cut that guy off. I knew when he got past me, I was... Why did that guy just pull up to me and start talking to me, you know?
What, the other cop?
That guy right there. He just pulled up in the truck stop and just started wanting to talk to me. You know why?
Because you got warrants.
Oh.
If we can settle things at the lowest possible level, we're always going to try and do that first. If you're willing to talk to him and have a conversation, then we'll take that route. But if you want to run from us, then we have to take this route.
He was locking me up. There was no way I was getting out of that truck.
All right. Where were you headed originally?
What do you mean?
Where were you? You're hauling window shades, you said? Where were you going? Utah? Do you want to go to the hospital if they ask you? It's up to you. What do you want me to tell them? For your head, or is there something else bothering you?
Oh, no, I think my legs up too.
Which one?
I think the right knee and the
Left leg? Okay.
How'd you guys know I was there?
Well, because you got warrants, man. It shows up in the system, and when you got license plates that are in your name or in somebody's name that's attached to you, we can see that.
But how did you know I was there?
At the truck stop? We have patrols all over the place.
Oh.
Our cameras have license plate readers on them.
Oh, so they track when I came into the state?
Mm-hmm. They can see your license plates.
Let's walk over here to my back of my ambulance, all right? Any cuts just on your hands and stuff like that? Looks like you got a good knot on your head.
I don't know. I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
I don't know what's happening.
So it sounds like he does have a warrant out for his arrest, and that's why we were trying to make contact with him.
This morning, his lawyer's supposed to call in.
What's up, sir?
How are you?
Not too bad. This is Tony, his wife of 3 years. Said they were supposed to be turning themselves in, but we didn't make contact. He talked to his lawyer this morning, and it's just a little bit of shock right now.
I'm sure.
We got a female with no seatbelt on. Didn't have a chance. This is his wife. She's on the passenger seat. She got pretty good head injuries.
How old is she? About 40?
1992, 32.
Just the head injury?
Minor cuts.
What about here?
Pretty good lacerations on the head and stuff.
Not complaining of any other injuries, but he did say he was 97.
I don't know if he has any weapons in the trunk. Just to let you know, it doesn't sound like you're going to be in any trouble, right? So it's just questions of your husband. I know. Just going to make sure you get the help you need. So how long were you guys there at the truck stop for?
Just a few minutes.
Just got there, and that's when we rolled up. Were you guys fighting over the steering wheel at all or anything like that? Or did he purposely go off the road?
No, the tire went out.
Yeah. I noticed he was throwing.
Yeah, the tire went out.
Yeah. I got his female passenger over here. She was unrestrained in the front passenger seat, right?
What's going on today? All right, what's your first name?
Here you go.
Tony.
So were you seatbelted in the vehicle? You didn't have a chance. Did you hit your head? Did you go unconscious during that time? Or do you remember everything? Gotcha. So we're going to get you down to the hospital. You want to get transported to the hospital, right? Are you having any pain right now? Where at in your head? Right here? Yeah, you got a good knot right there. Elbow? You're still able to move everything? Do we have any pain here? No, look all the way to the left. Any pain here? No, all the way towards the right. Any pain in the middle? Down to your chest. Any pain? All right, look straight up. Any pain? Gotcha. All right, you still don't know if you went unconscious or not. You just know it all happened real fast, right? In custody? No?
Hey, you able to take a few steps for me? Go ahead, grab onto my hand. Right this way.
The driver, 39-year-old Michael, was taken into custody after a tense standoff. He now faces charges ranging from kidnapping and assault with a deadly weapon to reckless driving and obstruction of a public officer, on top of his original warrants for coercing minors. His passenger, Tony, previously charged with child cruelty, was injured but not facing new charges in this case. Both were transported for medical care before being processed. Though the suspects remain innocent until proven guilty in court, the pursuit highlighted the constant dangers faced by law enforcement when attempting to apprehend violent fugitives on America's highways.